Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this Hunter Original from 2000 in the rare weathered brick finish. This is one of the fans I got from Miami. The guy actually had two of them, but he knew what they were, so he didn't want to sell them cheap. I was able to talk him down $50. He originally wanted $190 for this one. I got him down to $140. Left the other one there. This one looked like it was in better condition than it is. And this is one of the things in my collection just because of the rare finish. Let's go ahead and get a look. Honestly, it looks fantastic. I don't know if you can see it as well as I can on the camera. The brown is sort of metallic-ish. It looks really worn. It looks very awesome compared to a regular brown original. At the end of the video, I'll turn the light on and see if I get a closer look and show you guys what the metallic finish looks like, as well as I'll show you the tag. So there's low speed. Let's go ahead and go to medium. He is pretty well balanced. It has a slight wobble, but it's nothing that's too terrible. It's just very, ever so slightly. You probably wouldn't notice it. Let's go ahead and go to high. Go ahead and go underneath real fast. As you can feel, heck of an air mover. Back over here. Alright, so just spin that. Sorry about it, everyone. My camera ran out of space again. You spin that again. I'm just using my camera and clean it out. I've got too much stuff in there. But anyway, just doing the spin down again from high. Sorry about the background noise that it is on. It's getting into the summer and really I need something in here for air movement. This fan runs silent. There's no hum to this fan whatsoever, which is really awesome. Very, very cool. And this is actually the same year as my archive original, so it's kind of cool also. They're both from 2000. You probably guess I'm kind of got a cold. I worked in the rain, unfortunately, late one day, and yeah, got sick. That's a lot of fun. Not really. Alright, there we go. Now if you look at the blades, you'll notice that the darker around the corners, I left them like that because I like the look of it. It makes it look like it's worn. Turn this guy around. Let's see if I can get you. Try to lose the double zeros. Let's see. Serial number. Let's go up here and tag the top. There you are. There you have it. Now if you, yeah, that's actually pretty good. You can see some metallic finish to it. Very nice. Anyway, thanks for watching.